guys, welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. Yep, it's another cheesecake recipe, but this is no ordinary cheesecake recipe. Coconut cheesecake with pineapple butter rum topping. Yeah, you heard me, pineapple butter rum topping. Now wait a minute, don't leave just because I said rum. I know so many of you are alcohol free when it comes to baking, so don't worry, I have this awesome new spiced rum extract from Olive Nation in addition with their coconut extract and of course coconut flakes too. This video was sponsored today by Olive Nation. They sent me these products to try out and share with you all, and they are so generous to give you 20% off your order just for watching this video. How cool is that? Speaking of cool, if you're not yet subscribed here to my channel, what are you waiting for? All the best vegan recipes are found on my website at gretchensveganbakery.com, so be sure to click through at the end of this video to grab all the recipes. The links are below in the box as usual. All right, let's get this pina colada party going. You will need vegan cream cheese, and I do like to add a small portion of tofu, but that's optional. Coconut milk, cornstarch and flour, sugar, a bit of apple cider vinegar for that authentic tang of a real deal cheesecake. And oh yeah, I've got some melted vegan butter, and I'm adding the vanilla bean paste to that, along with the rum extract and the coconut extracts too. This cheesecake is jacked up with some flavors, let me tell you. But before we mix the batter, let's make a quick crust with graham crackers, more melted vegan butter, and some coconut flakes, and that rum extract too. So I'm just going to blend all of that together in the food processor. So the thing about this rum extract that I love is that it actually tastes like spiced rum. I've had some pretty nasty rum extracts in my day, but this one from Olive Nation is on point. Again, all the ingredients are listed out on my website along with the 20% off discount code to Olive Nation. Now, since I'm making these into cheesecake bars today instead of a round cake, I've greased and parchment lined a 9" by 9" cake pan, and as you see, the parchment paper is hanging over in excess, and that's going to be able to help us remove this whole thing from the pan in one easy slab. Okay, now for the cheesecake batter. It's literally the easiest recipe you will ever make because you're just throwing everything together into the food processor and whizzing it up smooth. That's it. Now pour it into your prepared crust, and I've got some unsweetened desiccated coconut flakes that I wanted to sprinkle over the top rather than mix it into the batter, and I have no good reason for doing it this way. I guess I thought it would make like a little coconutty crust. And I'm not real sure if I liked this idea or not, so mix it into the batter or sprinkle it on top, whatever you want to do. Cheesecakes are always best baked in a water bath for a more delicate baking environment, and while it bakes, you're going to make the pineapple butter rum topping with crushed pineapple, cornstarch, and then the juice from the canned pineapple. You're going to make a custard with some melted vegan butter, and just bring it all to a boil and then add the rum extract. So add that custard to the crushed pineapple and just try not to eat it all before the cheesecake is ready. But once it is, spread the warm pineapple butter rum all over the top. Then you'll cool everything together. And once it's completely cooled, you'll have a real easy time of getting it out of the pan. Just pull it out by those excess parchment paper flaps and cut it up, and well, that's really it. Pina colada cheesecake bars are going to be your new favorite recipe. Head over to gretchensveganbakery.com to grab the written printable version, and of course to get your discount code for Olive Nation, to get all of these awesome extracts and so much more. Thanks to everyone for watching my video, liking, commenting, and subscribing, and until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.